The new generation of hydrostatic horizontal spindle rotary table surface grinder is built specifically for high precision and high efficiency surface grinding. In this series of machines, GRINTIMATE has applied the uniquely developed hydrostatic technologies to the spindle and rotary table, which enable the machine to present unmatched performance in running accuracy and machining stability compared to equivalent machines. Featuring unique machine structure and machining accuracy, GRINTIMATE CSR series has set up a new standard in the rotary table surface grinders. The major structural parts of GRINTIMATE rotary table surface grinders are all simulated by computational fluid dynamics, CFD, as well as calculated and analysed by lattice-Boltzmann method, LBM. As such, optimised dynamic structure design can be achieved with minimum stress deformation. The CSR series is designed with a moving column with extremely smooth feed motions on Z-axis. Both Y-axis and Z-axis are directly driven by servo motors and move on super precision XP-class linear guideways, thus ensuring sensitive feed motions and high positioning accuracy on both axes. The open-top Splashguard design makes large workpiece loading, unloading more convenient. With the use of an exclusively designed hydrostatic bearing spindle, the spindle always floats on oil film, whether it is under a start, running or stop condition. This outstanding design will dramatically boost the spindle running accuracy. In addition, other benefits can be obtained, such as superior dampening capacity, stable and smooth rotation, and improved surface roughness. GRINTIMATE CSR series utilizes an exclusively designed hydrostatic bearing rotary table. Its working principle is using high-pressure fluid that flows through the specially designed hydraulic parts. Then it is transformed into high-dampening, incompressible oil film. As the hydrostatic bearing is always under a non-contact condition regardless of start, rotation or stop status, this brings excellent features like high accuracy, high rigidity, high loading capacity, and long lifespan. Compared to conventional ball bearing type rotary tables, the hydrostatic bearing rotary table has higher dampening capacity of up to 10 to 100 times. The rotary table provides various loading capacity from 7,000 kilograms to 10,000 kilograms, depending on models. GRINTIMATE rotary table service grinder is equipped with a user-friendly controller that features powerful functions and is easy to learn and operate, allowing the operator to get started quickly. With the specially designed constant speed feed function, the rotary table is able to automatically adjust its rotary speed according to grinding position variation, so as to ensure the machinery accuracy. The guided operation panel enhances convenience in grinding parameter setting and wheel dressing. In order to save program editing time, parameter setting for convex and concave grinding is done conveniently through graphic dialog input. The wheel dresser is operated together with the controller, providing 0.1 UM of compensation value for wheel dressing. No matter what your requirements for high efficiency, precision grinding, or optimal surface roughness are, the unmatched Rotary Table Surface Grinder, exclusively designed and built by GRINTIMATE, will fully meet your expectations.